And how's it going, guys, and welcome to the first episode of What's Inside the Box, featuring the Boya-by MM1 shotgun microphone. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So now, what's inside this Boya box? First, you get your dead cat / windsock, which allows you to stop noise and air from coming into the microphone and distorting the noise. At number 2, we have the Boya-by MM1 shotgun microphone. In all its glory. It's an all metal build, which is something that I like. And at number 3, we have the shock mount. It's not really too flimsy, and it's a little bit robust, maybe too robust. At number 3, we have the Trs Cable for smartphones, for any smartphone, from the higher end smartphones to the lower end smartphones. It works with all of them, which is something that is amazing. And at number 4, we have the Trs Cable for DSLRs. I'm not going to be using this one as much as with the Trs Cable, but it's nice to know that I have it. If I ever do get a DSLR or get a laptop, I can use it with those type of devices. And last but not least, we have the adapter that plugs into an audio interface. If you are planning to use it in a studio, that's why it's there. This is the first episode of What's Inside the Box. The full review will come out a little bit later because I'm still waiting for a few more products to come in the mail, and once they are there, I can give you a comprehensive review of this actual Boya-by shotgun microphone. So if you want to get notified, please follow my Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Tumblr to stay notified on what's happening on the channel and when these products are going to hit the channel or the studio. And yeah, just be nice and thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and press that bell so you can stay notified of my videos. And this has been What's Inside the Box, and I'll see you guys in the next one.